Welcome to our podcast. This is Unity Church of Chatsworth. Senior Minister, Reverend John Washington, and I am Michelle Washington, Pastoral Nurse.
There are 5 basic Unity principles, and they can be found at What is Unity at unity.org. Today, we focus on the 5th Unity principle, which is, it is not enough to understand the spiritual teachings. We must live the truth we know.
We are praying today for those special dear ones on our prayer list, organizations, other churches. And the first church is Westside Unity Church in Detroit. For all of those there, we're praying for the church, all members, all children, the senior minister, Reverend Joanne Watson. God bless you. God bless Unity Westside in Detroit, Michigan. Our second group that we were invited to join with them in prayer is our dear ones, Unity Way Church in Vista, San Diego County, California. All of the dear ones there, Reverend Michael Univer, and all of the dear ones there. And so we're delighted to pray with Reverend Michael and Unity Way Church, Vista, San Diego County, California. Michelle, we're also praying with our usual blessed ones that we pray with in Michigan. Our dear one who sends us the wonderful prayer cards in Chicago. We have, my goodness, Michelle, our group is all over the country now. We have dear ones again in Kansas City area. And you know who you are. We love you. We bless you. We appreciate you. We behold the highest in you. A very sweet dear one who is now in Florida.
Yes.
And we see her healing, healthy and whole, and moving in that direction day by day. And oh my goodness. Oh, of course, now when we pray for others, we're also praying for ourselves, and in the form of, right now I'm talking about Unity Church of Chatsworth, and to all of the dear ones, the younger people, the senior people in our group.
Yes.
And we see them healthy and whole also. So we're blessing all, and I couldn't take the time to mention everyone.
I was going to say, if we left anyone out, know that we're praying for you and holding you in prayer. And we invite everyone to take a look at that idea of praying without ceasing. That means let us prepare for a time of prayer and meditation. Goodbye, and thank you for listening to our podcast.